Blunteez are multifunctional pendants. They can be worn on your neck as a pendant or on your pointer finger as a spliff holder. There are three main parts to a Blunteez: the spliffy hole on the top, the body in the middle, and the holder hole on the bottom. You can slide your necklace into the spliffy hole or slide in your spliff, place the holder on the tip of your pointer finger, and don't forget the shake test. For the body, pick a crystal, design, or the minimalist, which has no crystal. For hands-free spliff holding, place the holder on the tip of your pointer finger, or you can use it to hold keys, badges, pens, and reading or sunglasses. There are 5 spliffy hole sizes: the pinner, classic, Siggy, gorilla, and the adjustable, which holds varying sizes. The classic is a perfect fit for raw cones and most roll-ups with or without a filter, ranging from joints to blunts, small, thick, short, long, and in between. So there are two main holder hole sizes, standard and strong, with the most common being the standard. The standard size fits most people's pointer finger on the tip or up to the second knuckle. Strong size is for people with much larger fingers. They typically do heavy work with their hands or have enlarged knuckles for different reasons. So there you have it. That's a Blunteez. Feel free to order on our website, blunteez.com, ask us any questions, or contact us for custom order requests.